Part B, let's solve 2 times the absolute value of 1 plus 5x is greater than or equal to 12. Okay, what do you have to do first here? You got to isolate the absolute value, where the absolute value of 1 plus 5x. What operation connects the 2 and the absolute value? Multiplication. So how do you get it to the other side? Divide. And we end up with something that looks very similar to what we ended up with in the last one. But this time it's 1 plus 5x is greater than or equal to 6. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to get our critical values here. We know that we can set or change the inequality to an equal. Set 1 plus 5x. So we've already done this. 1 plus 5x equal to negative 6. 1 plus 5x equal to positive 6. We're solving the related equality or equation to get the critical values. So if we subtract 1 from both sides and divide by 5 just like above, we get negative 7/5. This part is exactly the same as above, this step. So that's why I'm not showing the steps. For the second equation, if we subtract 1 and divide by 5, what do we get? X equals 1. So it's same exact steps as up here. Okay. Make your number line. Step 2, make your number line. Well, that's a really curvy number line. Put your critical values on that number line. Okay, same test values as before. We'll use negative 2, we'll use 0, and we'll use positive 2. And of course, we're going to get different results, aren't we? So now we have the simplified version of that inequality was the absolute value of 1 plus 5x is greater than or equal to 6, right? So this is what we're plugging into. Okay, what happens when you plug in a test value of negative 2? Do you get a true statement? Well, you get the absolute value of 1 plus 5 times negative 2. Is that greater than or equal to 6? Well, it's going to be the opposite result as what we had above, so yes. In fact, what is it? It's the absolute value of negative 9, which is 9. 9 is greater than 6. Yes. Yes. So we shade this interval. We'll talk about what happens at the endpoint in a minute. What about a test value of 0? Is that going to satisfy it? So again, all I'm doing, guys, is plugging in 0 for x. I end up with 1 plus 0, 1 plus 5 times 0, essentially, which is 0. Greater than, well, the 5 times 0 is 0, that is. Is that going to be true? Is 1 plus 5 times 0 greater than or equal to 6? No. 1 is not greater than or equal to 6. No! How dare you just even say such a thing? Okay. So don't shade here. Test value of 2. Yes or no? Is 1 plus 5 times 2 greater than or equal to 6? Yeah, well, what is it? It's 11. 11 is greater than or equal to 6. Yes. So you would shade to the right of that critical value of 1 from where you got 2. What happens at the endpoints? Are they included? Yes. It's a greater than, so you're going to use, if you want to change it to interval notation, hold on just a second, guys. Use brackets. What are the solution intervals? There's 2 of them, as you can see. No, curly brackets. Interval notation. So change this number line graph to interval notation. Negative infinity to negative 7/5 is the first interval. What's the second interval? Oh, that should have been a bracket. What's the second interval? Bracket 1 comma infinity. What symbol do we use to unite these? Union.